LEAD, Learn Acting Digitally. This is our contribution to the Curriculum 4.0 competition of the Stifterverband and the Carl Zeiss Foundation. At its core, our proposal is about developing a new blended learning master program in management and engineering targeted at STEM graduates and intended to equip them for the digital world. What I want to do in this brief video is to introduce this concept of our program to you. And you will all agree that digitization is increasingly transforming our living environments, but not only our living environments, but also our working environments. This picture, for instance, shows Tesla's fully automated assembly line using KUKA robot technologies. But how can digitalization really help to rethink and redesign our learning environments? This is the fundamental question that our proposal thought to address. And there are three major developments that we identified and that I would like to share with you briefly. First, we think that digitalization is actually calling for a new set of competencies that graduates need to be equipped with if they want to be employable in the workplace and if they want to be able to participate in our increasingly digitized society. First of all, our graduates need to be very good at solving complex problems through advanced analytical skills and through creativity. They also need to excel at collaborating and at working in interdisciplinary teams. With digitization comes transformation, and our graduates need to be equipped to manage these change processes through entrepreneurship and through leadership. And finally, but by no means least importantly, our graduates need to be able to reflect, and they need to be able to be aware of their responsibility for themselves and their own physical and psychological health, but also for their responsibility for their peers and their co-workers. The second major development we identified is that because of digitization, or thanks to digitization, new formats, new teaching and learning formats are emerging. Think only about MOOCs and their smaller counterparts, the small personalized online courses. Think about the broad set of blended learning formats, including the flipped classroom. And now think in particular about the opportunity that digitization offers in terms of designing personalized modules and entire degree programs that also bridge the boundaries between the academic disciplines and between distinct universities. And finally, there are new tools that emerge thanks to digitization. Think only about the massive learning platforms such as edX, right, which are increasingly shaping the global educational environment. Learning analytics also provides us with unseen insights into the nature of the learning process and into the determinants of the learning success. And then we have digital assistants that support our students to design their unique educational pathways and career pathways. So these are three major developments that we build upon when designing our new master program. A master program which is called the MME TIME. MME TIME stands for Master in Management and Engineering in Technology, Innovation, Marketing and Entrepreneurship. It is a truly interdisciplinary master program that is customizable, that is, it can be personalized based on the preferences of the individual participant. It focuses on management and engineering and addresses STEM graduates that use or benefit from a blended learning format that combines really the best of digital and in-class on-campus learning. LEAD is based upon four key components. The first two components are related to the curriculum and pertain to the management and engineering input into this curriculum. And we've designed this interdisciplinary curriculum to ensure the employability and innovation capability of our graduates. The third element now is a digital assistant that we offer to our students to allow them to design their own unique learning and career pathways. Aware of the potential downsides of digitization, we also offer a summer school which looks at digital work and the challenges associated with digital work and possible solutions therefore. So this is the broad concept of our MME Time program. I would now like to dig deeper with you and explore in greater detail the curriculum. The curriculum is truly interdisciplinary and perhaps most importantly customizable or personalizable. The program will begin with a module called Technology and Innovation Management, which is fully digitized and offered on the platform edX and hence made available to everybody around the world. We then have, in our second layer, if you want, a set of time essentials. These are compulsory modules that need to be taken by everyone and that equip participants with basic knowledge in management. And these are also fully digitized, but complemented with one-day intensive in-class sessions. In the third layer now, we have a broad array of management electives. And these management electives are also to a large extent digitized, but to some extent also offered in a block format. And we assign or allocate these modules to 3 different professional profiles. To the profile of the technology manager, the technology marketer, and the technology entrepreneur. And as a student, I've now got the possibility to talk to my student advisor and to choose the modules and the area of specialization that best corresponds to my own professional aspirations. I can decide, for instance, to focus on technology entrepreneurship, to visit the summer school on digital work, and also to travel to our partner at Cambridge University to take part in the Cambridge ecosystem practicum. And then we come to the 4th layer of our curriculum, the technology electives. And here we have a broad set of technology electives, a broad set of modules that come from throughout the RWTH Aachen University. And we've assigned these technological modules to a total of 8 technology fields. And students can hence decide which technology fields they are most interested in and which technology fields they want to explore in greater detail, not least to identify opportunities for innovation at the intersection of some of these technology fields. So the curriculum itself is highly personalizable, but it's not just the curriculum, it's also the study duration and the location of your studies that is personalizable. One option is to study full-time on campus and to complete the curriculum within 3 semesters using mostly courses in a flipped classroom format. A second option is to study from home in a part-time mode. This is likely to take longer and to rely much more strongly on the digital component of our respective modules. But the digital component will again be complemented by in-class interactions in Aachen that will be organized as part of summer and winter school. As a third option, the student can decide to combine the best of the 2 worlds and to study some of the curriculum at home and the other part on campus in Aachen using a flipped classroom format. So what I wanted to show you is that this is a program that is highly personalizable with regards to the curriculum and the study duration and the study location. Many thanks for watching, and a thank you also to the Stifterverband and the Carl Zeiss Foundation for awarding this prize to us. If you want to learn more now about our program, we invite you to consult our program website. Many thanks.